session by a very renowned speaker, somebody who has found something which I'm really excited about. A lot of us in Codilar knows about this product. The product name is Whatmore. You guys must have read about it. Very interesting product. I happened to have a look at it. Does anybody over here do you know what Whatmore is? Anyone over here? Come on here. I hope you guys must done some research before coming to this session, but it's okay. Yeah. So Whatmore, like I mentioned, is into video-based commerce, and you guys should definitely take a look at it. What they do, very interesting. Like today, you see reels everywhere, right? Insta, whatnot, and then imagine you are looking at a cooking video, and the cook is pouring some oil or probably cutting some chopping some vegetables and adding in all of that, right? Honey. And as you see these products, you can also buy them live from the video. Like you get options to order these items. So imagine the power of it, right? At times there has been multiple times when we see, say, a celebrity or a model wearing a good dress, and we would kind of take a screenshot and go to another platform, search for it, and try and order it, right? Like, forget all of that. You can live order it as you watch the video. So that's what Whatmore is about. Yeah, he's also been in ex-Flipkart and ex-Oracle, and I'm really excited and looking forward to the session. Please welcome Shyam Srinivas for you, the co-founder of Whatmore, along with Prabhu. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, thank you for the invite. Thank you for the intro. Congrats on getting complete commerce. Complete commerce can be a really great tagline for any e-commerce enabler, I guess. Right? Awesome. So I'm Shyam. I'm founder of Whatmore. We started Whatmore with Prabhu some time back. So Whatmore is basically a fundamental way of reimagining online commerce via videos, right? So effectively what's happening across consumer mindset is there's a fundamental change in how content is getting consumed by the end consumer, right? So before getting into details of what Whatmore is, let me just get into it. So let me start with the problem, right? Effectively, we all solve the same problem, I guess. We have to increase the conversion rate of our customer, right? That's the basic end goal, right? There are many ways to do this, like optimizing for search is one of them, optimizing for page speed is one of them, but there's a new thing that's coming up. How do you increase conversion rate with videos, right? Why video? If you look at last decade, consumption of video on social media has gone up, has skyrocketed, right? Whatever happens on social media, e-commerce follows in the next decade, right? And if you look at e-commerce businesses doing ads on Instagram, they're investing more into video ads because video ads have 2x higher conversion rate than image ads, right? And that's where they're tapping into. Why just let ads take all the benefit? Why can't the content on the e-commerce website be video effectively, right? And all the end-to-end experience can just be a swipe and shop experience, being very similar to TikTok or Instagram Reels. Right? So at this point, before going further, I would ask you guys to just open your phones and just scan the QR code there, experience the app yourself. I hope. Just open your app, scan the QR code. Awesome. So, hope it's working. Yeah, sure. Sure. Able to do it? Acho. AACHO. Just Google Acho. Okay. Awesome. So, it's just a new way of shopping, right? Imagine any end user who is shopping online. What he does when he lands on a website, he wants to consume content. He doesn't want to read descriptions and everything, right? He just wants to consume content. He just wants to see how the product looks and feels, right? Until checkout. The only game on any shopping website is basically just keep the end user engaged until checkout, right? What's the best way of engagement in this decade? Short form video content, right? Because end consumers are wired to it. End consumers are wired to click on those circles on top which look like stories because that makes them realize this is like something like Instagram stories, right? And they want to be engaged in that way. They want to just keep on scrolling and consuming short form video content rather than hopping between web pages. That's the new era, and that's how we are solving. So what we did was basically leverage this end consumer behavior in your product, which is basically swipe and shop. You can just keep on swiping videos just like on TikTok. You need not go out of the video's context. You can add to cart while you are watching the video, and you can check out more details of the product while you are watching the video. And you can switch between different collections. For example, stories. If you can just swipe right on it, you get another collection of the story and keep showing from there. Now, yeah. So that's the gist of it. But when you visit that, and we have multiple such templates. Stories is one of them. Swipe and shop is another one of them. We have a template for your collection pages. We have a template for your product pages. Basically, effectively, anywhere you can leverage your video content effectively to increase your conversion rates, right? So I would. I'm hoping you are able to scan it or just visit Nacho and get the experience yourself. And I will stop here for 2 minutes if you have any questions here on the product. Alright. So yeah.
Sorry.
So all that is good and well, but when it comes to an e-commerce business, right? The e-commerce business owner always expects the website's look and feel to be highly customized. You can't just sell them what you have built. You have to sell them what they want, right? Hence, our product is highly customizable. What that means is our product seamlessly adapts to the theme of the existing website. For example, if you take a look at Bangalore website, Bangalore is one of our customers. It looks as if the product, the entire video shopping carousel or the widget, the entire experience was built by them in-house because our product adapted to their theme, to their fonts, to their colors, to their borders, everything. It looks as if it's inbuilt, right? And that's how highly customizable our product is. And we have different kinds of templates for different kinds of categories also. For example, some kind of templates work for fashion. If you come to cosmetics or skincare, ratings is more important. But while fashion is an engagement-driven category, it's important to have a lot of videos and highly engaging short-form videos. It's not important to have ratings. When it comes to cosmetics or skincare, it's important to show ratings. So we have multiple such templates for different kinds of categories of videos. Yeah, that's good. All this is good, amazing. Bringing TikTok onto e-commerce, awesome. So लेकिन कस्टमर को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? What does it really mean for me? Right? What does it really mean for my business? It doesn't matter you are having time travel in your product. All I want is what I want, right? So what it really means is when you get into the metrics, we track 2 metrics. One is conversion rate, second AOV. So we within 2 weeks, a customer launches with our product. We'll show them the metrics, regular metrics, and we show them metrics of all the user sessions who are shopping or checking out via Whatmore versus the guys who are not, right? So consistently across our customers, the conversion rate for these sessions is 2x higher. The average order value is 20% higher. Conversion rate is pretty obvious, but explained by average order value is high, right? So basically, when you are shopping using a website, right, the end consumer has to, let's say he's shopping one lehenga, he will usually go across 25 different products. So he has to hop between 25 different web pages. And in a 3G or 4G environment, that takes a lot of time. The context switch time will just introduce too much friction for the end customer. He stops in between. But in case of fiber shop, right, in case of video shopping, you don't have to change the web page. You are still in the same context window. You just have to swipe and you are going to the next context. So the context switch time reduces from 400 milliseconds to just 40 milliseconds. And that's a huge improvement. And effectively, your end consumer will end up shopping, engaging with more products in a short span of time. Hence, the AOV will increase. So you have seen it increase by 20%. So what this means, 2x increase in conversion rate, 20% increase in AOV, that means 10x ROAS compared with 4x ROAS, return on ad spend, right? And once we show these numbers to customers, then and we charge extremely low, we believe, right now for what the ROI we are providing. In some cases, they are providing almost 400x ROI for some of our customers. So basically, the amount of incremental sales they are doing compared to the amount they are paying for pages, right? Yeah. So that's it. These are the two metrics, and these are the only two metrics any e-commerce business will appear for, right? Yeah. So we launched pretty recently. So we have about 130 customers so far, and most of the major fashion brands in India are our customers. Like, you can check out our product on Acho, Bunai, Dabikum, Aurelia, Tutam, Suta. So we are more and more fashion focused because effectively fashion is the engagement driven category. Like cosmetics and skincare is a repeat customer driven category, but fashion is more engagement driven. I think I'm an engineer by DNA. I was in Flipkart, I was in Oracle, I was in Amazon before that. So for us, making sure the product works seamlessly at an engineering level is more important than how well we do our sales, right? So all these corner cases, including corner cases, like for example, if I integrate this product with the website, will it reduce the website's load time, right? So answer is no. So we have optimized it over time and again. We do a lot of optimizations, like the video is loaded, the thumbnail video is loaded first, and when the user clicks on it, the actual video is loaded. In fact, you can upload 3 videos on the website, and you can upload 300 videos. There will be no difference in page speed, right? And the assets are also optimized. And also, where are these videos coming from? Right? So effectively, any e-commerce business has their videos spread out across Instagram and by YouTube. Right? They can just bulk import. On our dashboard console, they can just click a button, all their videos on Instagram and YouTube are downloaded automatically. And today they have to manually tag each video with what product it's related to, basically copy paste the product link. But we are building a feature where that is automated, effectively matching all your video catalog with your product catalog images, mix and match, good to go in 10 minutes. Today it's about 3 hours to onboard 50 videos, but by their operational team, but eventually it will be just 10 minutes. So we also integrate with Google Analytics because businesses don't trust our metrics and our dashboard more, so integrate with their GA directly. We show their metrics on their own GA and directly. We are also launching a lot of AI products. For example, once we did this, the immediate requirement we were getting from our customers was basically, dude, before we use your product, all my videos were spread out across Drive, Sheets, I don't know where, right? After using your product, we have all our videos in a single place. Now I want to start using these videos from here. For example, if I'm running an Instagram ad, I want to create a video ad from your product directly. I just entering a prompt. So you just have to click in, like create a video summary for my best-selling products of last 2 weeks, and that video gets created automatically and published to Instagram as ads or a post. Right? And also, our product is highly customized in the sense, if you want to create stories, all the stories you see on top of our customer's website, they are generated. What that means is, once they upload the videos, let's say 100 videos and tag them with products, they just have to type in a prompt. create a story for my land assets, and we scan through all your products. We use OpenAI in the background, and we scan through all your products, create a collection, best possible collection of stories for your customers, and create a story title also automatically using ChatGPT that gets automatically generated, and the story goes live. So all you have to do is just 30 seconds of typing a prompt, create a story for me for live, right? And that goes live. This reduces operational effort for your customers highly. Of course, there are some cases that are taken care of. That's fine. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'll stop if you have any questions. And Prabhu and is my co-founder, and we started this company about 1 year back, and we are growing very fast. And we also have planning also, and we have another salesperson also with us. We are about a team of 6 people right now. Ex-Flipkart, ex-Amazon, so a lot of experience with e-commerce, and one of our founding team is also in Meetup. So yeah, I'll stop there. If you have any questions here, I'll take it from there. Any questions? Any informal questions, formal questions, engineering questions?
How are you making the operation?
Sorry?
How are you making the operation?
So we are a SaaS product. So we don't actually sell the product. We integrate with the e-commerce businesses website directly, their website, and we will take care of our product is only until checkout. Once the checkout is done, payment and all is goes to the upload from the website. The only the engagement part of the shopping is taken care of.
Any other question? The videos are downloaded from Instagram to the platform?
Yes. So you will have your videos on Instagram because your social media team, you are an e-commerce business. Your social media and branding team is uploading the video on Instagram, posting videos on Instagram, everything, right? Over 2 years of time, I have about 100 videos on Instagram. So you just have to click a button on your dashboard, all your Instagram videos are auto-downloaded and auto-tagged.
The question is, the videos will be stored in the same server, or is it the Instagram only?
It's not stored on Instagram. So the reason being this, video streaming via Instagram or external websites is very slow. So we store our videos on AWS S3 backend, and it's highly secure. And we stream those videos using multiple CDNs based on the location of the customer. The location, if the customer is in UAE, we have our points of presence in UAE only. If the customer is in India, we have points of presence in India only. So we take care of streaming because streaming is very important for us. It affects end customer experience.
Thank you. Aisha,
Okay.
just one more question. As a solution, what is the time frame of deployment for any e-commerce client? As a complete solution, but how fast we can deploy the solution?
Great question. So I'll give an anecdote how it worked with one of our first customers. So Archo was our fifth customer. So by that time we had optimized the product so much that our integration time is super fast. So we were able to convince him in 15 minutes. We were able to do the integration in 5 minutes. So we have multiple. So if you're on Shopify, it takes 5 minutes, and if you're on Magento, it takes about 25 to 30 minutes because if we are the app marketplace, we got a problem with that, but we are working on that also. Today, 6 months back, I think it should take like 2-3 days. Today, it just takes 30 minutes. And once that is done, we just have to get your social media team to click a button, download all the videos, and tag those videos in your live.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So 130 plus customers and counting, right? Congrats on that, huge. Just want to understand from GTM to 130, like how long did it take?
That's also an interesting story. So we started in July last year. So we observed one thing very early on, especially in September. If you look at ethnic wear brands in India, there are too many ethnic wear brands, but all the B2B sourcing of ethnic wear comes from Jaipur alone. So all ethnic wear is actually manufactured in Jaipur alone. So Jaipur has become this cluster of ethnic wear providers for entire India. So what we did was we just targeted a cluster. So once we launched with Acho, within 3 days, Punai's developers went into Acho's website and they went into JavaScript, and we had commented on please visit Whatmore.land and that was a great inbound for us. And once we cracked that, we targeted that cluster again and again, and we focused more and more on fashion, targeting such competitive clusters were highly interested because what happens in competitive clusters is the entire process gets the DNA of this process and then gets repeated across these competitors. Because that's how this competition works, and we tap into that worked well for us. So going ahead, we still have to figure out how we can sense that. Yeah.
Do you think that pricing is a big challenge for your product?
No. So, see, the general assumption, especially in SaaS world, is e-commerce businesses don't have enough money to pay, right? That's not at all true. We had that fear, but that fear is washed away now. All that matters is, are you showing them incremental sales, and are you doing it with enough integrity, right? Are you showing them enough metrics that they're convinced that it is actually doing some kind of increase in conversion rate or incremental sales? And once you do that, they're okay with paying 6x ROI, 1/6 of that money as subscription amount. So that's almost never an issue. But right now we are in the distribution phase, in the growth phase. So we are offering a product with very high discounts, so we don't have to worry about pricing at all if it comes to integrating with customers. But as long as you're showing the ROI properly, then yeah, I have more time. I can get more questions. Anything from an integration perspective or from an engineering perspective. Awesome. Thank you guys. It's great talking to you. Great questions. Thank you.
Thanks, Shyam. I think this is what happens when you have Amazon, Flipkart, and all that will come together. Thank you so much. Will you be around in case they want something after the session? Alright, thank you. Alright guys, done with the two